話衞生啦，始終都全部唔緊要嘅，食到可以全部喺度食嘅。同埋咁大袋嗰啲攞埋出嚟，
我已經唔係。
嗰啲牛肉應該係我哋公司嘅，唔好意思啊。攞埋出嚟啦。
個男人起初死口唔認，經過職員再三勸喻之後，先肯拎出一部分嘅食材。
唔知你識唔識用英文表達好樣衰呢？好樣衰呢句説話咧，當然係對住一個做咗一啲極度丟臉嘅事情嘅人嘅反應。佢嘅意思好似冇面見人。今日一齊睇下好樣衰喺唔同嘅情況下有啲乜嘢唔同嘅表達方式。如果我哋想表達嗰種感覺係好丟架，即係自己亦會受到影響，譬如話呢一個行為會影衰香港人嘅，我哋會話 What a disgrace! What a disgrace! They got caught sneaking food out of the all-you-can-eat hotpot restaurant. What a disgrace! 如果我哋想表達好尷尬或者好核突，即係大家對嗰件事嘅睇法咧，我哋可以用 how 或者 that so 做開始，後面咧可以加 embarrassing， 例如 how embarrassing 或者 that so embarrassing， 亦可以用 humiliating， 即係 how humiliating 或者 that so humiliating。He had to take the raw beef out of his shopping bag. How humiliating！ 如果我哋想指一個人唔知道羞恥嘅話，我哋可以用 shameless。shameless 呢個形容詞去形容嗰個人嘅。Their shopping bag was loaded with food. They are so shameless。最後令到自己出醜或者出洋相，我哋可以話 make a fool of oneself。咁如果中數咧，我哋可以話 make fools of oneselves。They really made fools of themselves. They're lucky the restaurant didn't call the police。考下大家，每一個人都知佢係邊個，好尷尬。英文可以點表達咧？學到新嘢記住幫手 comment、like 同埋 share。想揾私人英文補習老師咧，就歡迎私信我。想支持我繼續拍片，或者想輕鬆地揾翻啲過去拍過嘅題材咧，就歡迎訂閱我嘅 Patreon 平台。咁每個星期咧都會有會員專屬嘅影片睇嘅。